Well, Emmanuel, I Selassie, Rastafari, Alayana, King Malachi Selassie and the whole family.
All of the while, all of the while, all of the while I was there with you. All the things we came through, yes, me stay by your side. And all the things your family put me through, just because I stay by you and still be your brother. I can't believe what you're doing, no. I can't believe how you're bowing to love vibrations. I see it showing in your actions. When karma has its way, not for them think that is, not for them feel that is. Somebody do them when it's them own self. When karma has its way, not for them think that is, not for them feel that is. Somebody do them when it's them own self. All of the while I was trusting in you, watching how you're moving, now me notice the difference. All of the while you was fooling me, but now me get brighter and smooth it gets sense. I love pretend, just me see right through. And you know what karma will do. Anything you put out will come back to you. Anything you put out, when karma has its way, no for them feel that is, no for them feel that is. Somebody do them when it's them own self. When karma has its way, no for them feel that is, no for them say that is. Somebody do them when it's them own self. Learn this realm, you have to live right. And I know tricks and things and go on like you're right. And all the wickedness you do, me know you do it just be smart. You do it just be smart. Anything you put out will come back to you. Do you know? When karma is ready for you, ready for you. When karma has its way, no for them think that is, no for them feel that is. Somebody do that when it's them own self. When karma has its way, oh yeah, no for them feel, no for them feel that is. Somebody do that when it's them own self. When karma has its way, oh yeah, I am still, oh yeah, oh yeah, that must be crazy. I love the Almighty. I have a statement to make, but no one mistake me. May I come up with the vibes and it feels so right. So me rocking all night, yeah. I am an Empress with it. So me moving with royalty, me moving with the king, yeah. No bad vibes can touch me, cause me moving with high frequency, yeah. They must be crazy. I will never sell up in no vanity. Oh, they must be crazy. I will never live up the Almighty, yeah. In no money, come out, we are come up with the vibes, so everybody is shaking. But the Father we are love, the Father we are praise, the kingdom above. In my feet like a glove, in my feet like a glove. They must be crazy. I will never sell up in no vanity. No, they must be crazy. I will never leave out the Almighty. Be no money, be no fame, and no vanity. Me not keep bad company. I strictly love the Almighty. Be no money, be no fame, and no vanity. Me no keep bad company. I love the Almighty. Him I walk by my side. Him and my husband, I'm his bride. And him guide, him a guide. Him by my side, by my side. How was it a flow, flow? When me touch it, they show, shake, show. Those who know, they know, they know. They must be crazy. I will never sell up in no vanity. No, they must be crazy. I will never live out the Almighty. Ain't no money, no fame, and no vanity. They don't keep bad company. I strictly love the Almighty. Ain't no money, no. For no fame and no station. Safe. Safe with you. When I'm in your arms, your love is like bulletproof. I'll see no harm, 'cause I'm safe with you. When I'm in your arms, your love is like bulletproof. From the nucleus, my memory, I remember how you made me feel, yeah, about you. I know that you protect me, 'cause I see your peripheral energy. You're the only one alone to protect my kingdom. You're the only one, you're the only one. This Empress, one kind of arm. You're the only one, you're the only one to protect my kingdom. You're the only one, you're the only one, the only one who can protect my kingdom. Life is like a game of chess. You got to protect your Empress. Big up all the real men who know about this. Got to protect your Empress. I appreciate love, everything you do. I see your light shining through. I know that you're real, your energy I feel. So you're respected when you step out, step out, step out. And everybody listen when a real king open his mouth. Hey, big up on the real Mayan devil. I say you know you're wrong, know you're wrong. Safe with you. When I'm in your arms, your love is like bulletproof. I'll see no harm, 'cause I'm safe with you. When I'm in your arms, your love is like bulletproof. I'll see no harm, no. I'll protect you. Be good to me, I'll be good to you. You're my black king, your black queen. You, safe with you, safe with you. Is a true warrior, him a right. The elements of God fight by my side. You're the only one, you're the only one to protect my kingdom. I feel safe, I feel safe, safe. You. When I'm in your arms, your love is like bulletproof. I'll see no harm, 'cause I'm safe with you. When I'm in your arms, your love is like bulletproof. I'll see no harm, safe with you. When I'm in your arms, your love is like bulletproof. I'll see no harm when I'm safe with you. Safe in your arms, your love is like bulletproof. I'll see no harm, safe with you. Holy, holy. I am Empress. Holy, holy is God alone. Yah Almighty, who sits upon His throne. Divine, cosmic, universal frequency. Yeah, in a you and in a me. Hey. Send on the fire, fire upon the wicked vampire. Nothing they can try. Jaja will surely trample in me. So me no worry, no. God send I help for sure. Hey. So I don't worry about tomorrow. Either life or end in sorrow. Don't you know that your life is tomorrow? Tomorrow. Hey. I worry about the frequency. Study by the Almighty, 'cause He's holy, holy is God alone. Yah Almighty, who sits upon His throne. Divine, cosmic, universal frequency. Yeah, in a you and in a me. Hey, the universe it speak with frequency. And you know it tell the truth when you feel the energy. Watch your people, watch the company. And with the spiritual eye you see, you would see that holy, holy is Yah alone. God Almighty, who sits upon His throne. Divine, cosmic, universal frequency. Yah in a you and in a me. Hey. Send on the fire, fire on all the wicked vampire. Hey. Nothing they could try. Jaja will surely trample in me. So I don't worry, no. Our energy for sure. Hey. for sure. Don't they know? Don't they know that the life they living is borrowed? But how they eating them life ending sorrow? Make a choice, have a voice. You have a voice for sure. Hey, red flags don't ignore. I know the way you want to go. God alone is almighty and He alone is holy.
Bang! Yeah, wonderful Empress, you know, so divine, you know. Yeah, show you all this love that I have for you and still like you act like you don't care. Yeah. Ha! You're so divine, you know. You know you're mine. Empress so precious and kind. I love you all the time. Anyway, everything will be fine, you know. Hey girl, want you to love me like how I love you. Want you to care for me like how I care for you. Want you to vibe with me like how I vibe with you. And that's how we do. Hey girl, want you to love me like how I love you. Want you to care for me like how I care for you. Want you to vibe with me like how I vibe with you. And that's how we do. Sweet wonderful Empress, girl you are mine. Looking at your eyes and it looks so divine. One of a kind, dimples are shy. Everything crisp, girl, everything fine. Trip overseas and she give me good wine. When you take it out, she tell me everything fine. Looking at me eye and say, girl, you're mine. Bill King said, I said, die. Hey, girl, want you to love me like how I love you. Want you to care for me like how I care for you. Want you to vibe with me like how I vibe with you. And that's how we do. Hey, girl, want you to love me like how I love you. Want you to care for me like how I care for you. Want you to vibe with me like how I vibe with you. And that's how we do. One in a million, this African queen. Everything the Rasta man want on the scene. Worth more than gold and more than diamond. The Empress, she a me sunshine. The Empress, wash and cook me, tell them and clean for me. Take care of me how she keep the house tidy. Take care of me youth, cause him a the fruit. Rastafari, him a the truth. Hey girl, want you to love me like how I love you. Want you to care for me like how I care for you. Want you to vibe with me like how I vibe with you. And that's how we do. Hey girl, want you to love me like how I love you. Want you to care for me like how I care for you. Want you to vibe with me like how I vibe with you. And that's how we do.
Yo, large up man like Lionheart and King Malachi. Trinidad Massive, big up yourself. The living anchor, the anchor of living waters. Key to the door, to the bridge from the now to forever after. Headquarters of the Most High Mind of Head Rulers and Jah. Kinetics of genetic, kin of kindred of Alpha Omega. Allegorical arc of Acacia sound. Lion is lion. In a Trinidad, lion is lion. Jamaica, lion is lion. All in Africa, lion is lion. Saint Croix, lion is lion. Trinidad, lion is lion. Gasparillo youth, lion is lion. All the people in the ghetto them, lion is lion. Lion.
Revolutionary. See the lion not a real revolutionary. No matter if them come with corona, social distance and wicked man bout ya. Vaccine, non-vaccine, and so them want start a war. But that can't stop we. No Babylon can't check we. Me burning out Illuminati, Lucifer 2000 could have.
Large of yourself. Evidence why we are singing as Scribe King. Lion is lion. Judah Bethlehem he come from. Lion is lion. Gene pools in the ghetto flowing in. Lion is lion. Lion.
I mean, I say, big up yourself, Lionel, see so you see it. Big up yourself in the King Malachi, you see it, yeah? I listen to Shiloh alongside Johnny Bumpy Osborne. Where you say, King?
Johnny Osborne alongside Godfather, seeing you don't know. A Lionel, the King Malachi, seeing him, Osborne said that. No, 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 no. No ice cream, no ice cream, no ice cream. No ice cream sound boy. I don't want no ice cream sound, that is too soft for me. Oh no mercy. Don't want no ice cream sound, that is soft, can't you see? Hey, I want a sound that can kill a little zinc pan in a sound clash. And that is why I say Lionheart sound is the roughest and the toughest sound. Sound boy, you know that Lionheart have the nicest and the sweetest sound. Sound boy, don't want no ice cream
put on the heat. Lionheart sound rule the streets. Put on the pressure, we are gonna fling on the heat. If it takes, we will make you moan and weep. You're picking up yourself like this, you run the town. Don't you know this world is big and round? Touch Lionheart, we will show you sound to the ground. But we say, put on
no ice cream, no ice cream, no ice cream.
Oh yeah,
no ice cream sound boy. Don't want no wind-up sound to have a clash with the Lionheart crew.
No way.
Don't want no dibby sound to have a clash with we, no way.
No way, yeah.
I want a sound that can kill a little zinc pan in a sound clash. And that is why I say Lionheart is the roughest and the toughest sound. Sound boy, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Graveyard you go.
No ice cream. No ice cream. No ice cream. No ice cream sound.
Big up Lionheart sound. Lionheart. Ras Lion, you large.
You don't know my Empress, you are my Empress.
Lionheart. said that them priestly and I said them can't have any dealings with one. Them too pure for them and too holy, but still they fondle in the altar, boys. In the name of the shameful Father, and harlot Mother, and Holy Spirit and water, double side of them crosser. Get gone. Slew them and done. Last lion, slew them and done. Slew them and done. Gasparillo, slew them and done.
Afraid of Sodom and Gomorrah, but yet still people come here by the millions. Listen to me, you don't have to come here and live the life of Sodomism. Just come here and live straight, my youth. Original lion heart. Take away if you take out a Sodom and run away. Man are married to man and female laying with female. Babies having babies. And this is Santo Domingo, my hero. Trouble lion heart, you won't see tomorrow. And this is Santo Domingo, my hero. Trouble lion heart, you won't see tomorrow. For a son boy plaguing so strange, selecting dubs just like John Wayne. And every day your son boy gets slain, smoking crack and sniffing cocaine. To trouble lion heart, you will die in begging, boys. And this is Santo Domingo, my hero. Trouble ebony, you won't see tomorrow. And this is Santo Domingo, my hero. Trouble lion heart, you won't see tomorrow. Whoa, sing pen boy, lion heart roll. Whoa, pin pen boy. Cause look how them girlfriend dressing so strange, looking like a bitch from a Playboy page, selling their bodies for a little small change. Look into your lives and try to rearrange, boys. This Santo Domingo barrier, and you're not sure to see tomorrow. And this is Santo Domingo barrier. Trouble lion heart, you won't see tomorrow. The program, son boy, don't diss the program. Ooh, yeah. The program, son boy, don't diss the program. Happy gun music on the radio, them a play. Dusting out the culture like an astray, leading the sounds in the ghetto astray. Every soul man want a 16 or a M3. Yes, a Mach 11 or a brand new Uzi. But lion heart I go kill somebody, boys. And this is Santo Domingo, my hero. Trouble lion heart, you won't see tomorrow. And this is Santo Domingo, my hero. Trouble ebony, you won't see tomorrow. Program, son boy.
Do you remember the days in school? Alright then, really wanna learn the golden rule. Alright then, see, good morning teacher, long time we reach ya. Alright again, children got to school, now we learn from the teacher. Sister Jane gone to church, now we hear from the preacher. Alright again, me and me woman take a trip, so we go into pizza. Alright then, me love my band, them come out of the sea, yeah. Alright again, two big sound, them jumping in the arena. Alright then, nitty gritty then I saw all them nice up the sleeve, yeah. Alright again, good morning teacher, long time we reach ya. Woggy, feed the cow in the pasture as we waggy. Alright again, gather the eggs that the fowl them lay. Alright again, mama called me to get my breakfast. Alright again, me always early, me never yet late, sir. Alright again, good morning teacher, long time we reach ya. Alright then, children got to school, now we learn from the teacher. gone to church, now we hear from the preacher. But see ya, me and me woman take a trip, so we going to beach. Alright, so me love my band, them come out of the sea. Alright, two big sound, them jumping in arena. Alright, nitty gritty tender soft, on them nice of the scene. Alright, hear it on the radio in your morning cleaner. Go on then, go on, go on, go on, go on there. Alright then, so let dog. Alright, alright then, go on there, go on there. Alright then, feed me going the pastor as me working. Go on there, get out the eggs that the foul them lay. Alright there, mama call me for breakfast in the morning. Alright there, me always early, me never get too late. No eggy, me reach school gate at the 1:45. Alright then, teacher call roll call, so me handsome and eggy. Alright eggy, good morning teacher, long time me reach ya. Go on eggy, children got to school, now we learn from the teacher. Alright eggy, good morning teacher, long time me reach ya.
Gonna touch you? Who's gonna listen? Who's gonna hear you? You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always be there for you. I can solve your problem. Who's gonna reach out? Who's gonna be there? Not like the others that leads you nowhere. You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always be there for you. Whoa, but it's love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Love, burning inside of me. Oh, when it's love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Love, burning inside of me. Oh, girl. Who's gonna listen? Who's gonna hear you? Who's gonna reach out? Who's gonna touch you? You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always be there for you. I can solve your problem. Who's gonna reach out? Who's gonna be there, be there? Not like the others, that leads you just nowhere. You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always be there for you. Ooh, and it's love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Love, burning inside of me. See you again. Love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Love, burning inside of me. Sing it again, love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Love, burning inside of me. Inside of me. Who's gonna reach out? Who's gonna touch you? Who's gonna be there? Who's gonna be with you? You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always
solve the problem? Who's gonna be us? Who's gonna be there, not like the others, but at least you just know where. My girl, I'll always be there. You know I'll always.
You know, don't know. Big thing. Yes. And how can you fight against fire when the fire is for purification? Then if the fire don't burn any you, them can't get purified. So if I never the fire, when you know about that, yeah.
It's things that I see I who me represent. Me not read me finger for no government. The rich had the dollar and the poor had the cent. Them call me a squatter to me not pay no rent. Well, dreadlocks gonna never live in a tenement. Higher class of the employment. Them hyper to viper full of excitement. And lower class under exploitment. And so you get the message and you hear the comment. Niggas snuggles give me the consent. Rastafari from creation that's so ancient. Be careful what you do, watch your content. Well, Babylon not try trick the patient to use up him soul for the experiment.
All praise belongs to Jah for the lovely works that he had done. Always remember Jah, so your blessing come. Then you feel the wind blow. Marijuana seed me just done so. Look at the children grow. Then you know, then you know, then you know.
Oh, well, this is a warning. Selassie is calling. You see the beats falling, the people them bawling.
Well, I've been warning them for the longest time. Still them never pay me no mind. And even though I try to cool and humble, they still wanna see I fall and stumble. But I will never give up the faith. Cause I know Rastafari is that saying gets. Oh, well, I and I will pass through great tribulation. Never get caught in Babylon disillusion. But better fall, heal up the lion. Well, Babylon a full time on the reckon. Commend the youth, I'm on the positive mission. If I don't heal me king, prepare for no dismission. Well, Babylon now open up hear me expression. This is not a letter, nor a telegram, or just me reader. Fire come back, come back, come back, come back.
Rastaman coming up turn harder than steel. Prophecy things that time not dead and reveal. Who not go listen them surely will feel. For them feed them up all the wicked man meal. Forget about the man who opened the seal. King Selassie I used to be melody.
They always figure that they're on top of the world, yeah. They always come to steal the children's soul, hey. The thing for my life, they got control. No, 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 cause all praise belongs to Jah.
Always remember Jah. The most high, I give me the fire, wake come off from my tongue. Thinking I reaching higher, go burn down the tongue. And the iniquity workers in Gomorrah and Sodom. When them hear the Rasta wanna where them come from. In the Ethiopia, where they beat the set the drum. Babylonians get weak and them a start run. Yeah, hide from the fire, the purification. Go burn out your soul, burn out corruption. Go party Vatican, the Queen of England, 72 nations.
Our kingdom, we fight to protect it. Our kingdom, won't let nobody have it.
Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry. See they kill the Dan, then kill the Danet. Kill another one, shoot up Carbonet. Then kill one, kill him for the creepy. Oh my Lord, me say Trinidad sticky. What me say? Man a crash, man a berry. Oh my Lord, me say Trinidad scary. What me say? Can't take no more. So me and the youths them a go on tour. Ha! Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry. So you must say Madawa, like you do believe in a Gadawa. You want me take me knife and stab her? I lick them down with me radar. Ha! I care for you, care for me back. I share with you, share with me back. I eat with you, eat with me back. But no man can't climb on me back. What me say? Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them.
Too much violence in a me blessed nation. Hate and too much frustration. Only get to use and them want to be this big gunman, the big youngster done. Like Trinidad turn into a big blood pool. Murder, gunshots, violence in schools. Crime get dread, gangsters have no rules. AK pump and 9 selectors are their tools. The green lime, dropping off and leaving the ripe. Like my country under satanic spell. And a big day full of vibes. Big evil lost vibes.
How when we get the guns from they don't care. Cause we no make no guns around here. We burn up a legal plus the dragon and bear. Come on a lion and the lion of fear. Powerful rule and we go a good school. Yeah, but me say we got the ancient tool. Rastafari then can't take for fool. Tell the wicked man, me tell the whole of them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry. See they kill the done, then kill the net. Kill another one, shoot up carbonet. Then kill one, kill him for the creepy. Oh my lord, me say Trinidad sticky. What me say?
Our kingdom, we fight to protect it. Our kingdom, won't let nobody have it.
Social number and no security. You just wanna keep your nasty eyes on we. Peeping Tom, keep your nasty eyes on we. Uncle Tom, keep your nasty eyes on we. You're gone down, you're gone down. Babylon funeral, you're gone down, you're gone down. Silent ambush used against we. Numbers and the barcode beast, spreading up your virus and man-made disease, spreading rumors that Africa bring these. One put the chip in the human brain, the all kind of far-fetched reason. The Frankenstein scientists them. If you no respect, then no problem. You're gone down, you're gone down. Babylon funeral, you're gone down. House of diva parliaments, I go off with power and kill out themselves. Judah will be restored, daughters of Zion not ignore. We not doubt and question no more. You're gone down, you're gone down, you're gone down. Babylon funeral, you're gone down. Do what you want, wheresoever you please. Hand in vehicles, test your bomb in the seas. Lock up anyone that was opposing, speaking against the nonsense that you were doing. But Babylon, you're gone down, you're gone down. Babylon funeral, you're gone down, you're gone down. Who make them rules and them policies? That's who try to make a puppet show out to we. And your social number and no security. You just wanna keep your nasty eyes on we. Peeping Tom, keep your nasty eyes on we. Uncle Tom, keep your nasty eyes on we. You're gone down, you're gone down. Babylon funeral, you're gone down, you're gone down. Fake election presidents, house of diva parliaments, I go off with power and kill out themselves. Judah will be restored. Daughters of Zion not ignore. We not doubt and question no more. You gone down. You gone down. You gone down. Babylon funeral. You gone down. You gone down. You gone down. Babylon funeral. You gone down.
Carry me to a time when things used to be fine, when we used to wine and dine. Yeah, for all the things I used to see, in perfect harmony. What is gone in the world today? Too much fussing and fighting, no more uniting. We trying to make it right. Too much of struggling, too much of hurting. Why my children only crying and dying?
Time for the youths to live upright and stop from fight and all unite. Well, it's time for the youths to live upright and stop from fight and all unite.
Things we have to learn. Your bridges never burn. Watch how the tables turn. Watch how the tables turn. And gotta see what you're living for the young ones. What you're living for our future, for the ones to come up. Why are they only fussing and fighting? No more uniting. People gotta be right. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Oh.
Time for the youths to live upright and stop from fight and all unite. Well, it's time for the youths to live upright and stop from fight and all unite.
Asari fusameshi ala de ontrawa fukobeli mama papa ala de edeweli dede wagina pesu no materi yo moi meisha strate seri ayatori sameshi jatori feri mama de na arkibon mama na ba money fukide mwa de want to the salsa de
Away from the fuss and fighting, so we all had to be united. Oh, Jaja children, you gotta make a way, man.
Time for the youths to live upright and stop from fight and all unite. Well, it's time for the youths to live upright and stop from fight
United,
and all unite.
united.
Don't lose African heart, lion heart. Seek and you shall find by design. Don't want you lose your African mind. African talk, African but way to decline. Nice one to shorten. But them want what is mine. Gold mine to be theirs, not mine. All we got. Them want you lose your African mind. African thoughts, African smarts, African self-loss. Act like what is mine is theirs and what is theirs is not mine. To take the most, leave us with less as if we don't mind. Indoctrinate so that Africa slip our mind. Reptilians strive to undermine the oldest bones, what them find African mind. African face and these things by African mind. Haters push for you to hate your African skin and say forget about slavery while it's still happening. Don't lose your African heart, lion heart. Seek and you shall find by design. So why you lose your African mind? African talk, African birth way to decline. Life's run to shorten. Tell them what is mine. Gold mine, to be theirs, not mine. All we got, them why you lose your African mind. African thoughts, African smarts, African self-loss. Morocco, Algeria, that be African mind. Libya, Egypt, come Shakwa of Africa mind. Ethiopia, that's the third eye of Africa mind. African, the pyramid, them. You build Jerusalem, African mind. Lalibela, rocking church for spirit, body, mind. The most accurate astronomist of all time. And the first mathematician, African mind. Don't lose your African heart, lion heart. Seek and you shall find by design. From why you lose your African mind. African talk, African birth way to decline. Lifespan to shorten. God them want what is mine. Gold mine, to be theirs, not mine. All we got, them why you lose your African mind. African thoughts, African smarts, African self-loss. Some say to never mind African mind. To take the enemy, them ways to reject mine. He call my story, his story, say mystery is mine. They in Africa mining business want to mine. Precious metals, minerals, African mine. The hieroglyphs, the abolishment of African mine. The Greek philosopher, them learn from African mine. Outsiders want credit for mine, African mine. Don't lose your African heart, lion heart. Seek and you shall find by design. Don't why you lose your African mind. African talk, African birth way to decline. Lifespan to shorten. Tell them what is mine. Gold mine, to be theirs, not mine. All we got, then why you lose your African mind. African thoughts, African smarts, African self-loss. Why you lose your African mind. African drum, African song, African drum, African love, African throne, African power, African pride, African love. Was forced onto a slave
2,000 years time. Black rice come 2,000 years ago. You never see, you're so blind. What you want to do now is to wait 2,000 more years for Rastafari. Is the Rastafari is the Almighty.
No one here brimstone, no one here lava, no one here lightning. This a voice here thunder. When them hear this a voice, when them all start wonder. The radio station is a truly talker. I tell them say, I be Empress in the corner. Jerusalem schoolroom burning out the four corners. This a one you come from, the highly emperor. Conquering iron and the tribe of Judah.
From the heights of the heavens to the depths of the sea, Rastafari liberty will be here for eternity. Mighty eyes, and he could never die. No.
They might go tired for civil face. We are professional. Can't get Daphne big get boy from out of the race. Oh Lord, it become a big disgrace when hypocrites and parasites them want joke your heart. Watch on a lion heart. Keep God in your heart. Yeah man.
I beat so. Keep on the cry.
Lion heart. Rasta youth. Rasta youth. Slug singer. Oh, in devil rise again. Hold up on youth and youth. I will rise again, this time without a friend. I will shine again, this time with joy. Lion not murder sound again, this time without a friend. Lion not wounded sound again, only with joy. Now that their sounds is against the walls. Whoa, whoa, we don't care if they rise or fall. We'll never play around when we're in sound clash. We'll never play around when they need us most. 7 time rise, 7 time fall. They all wanna say Lion Heart sound go down. Lion Heart killer sound again, this time without a friend. Lion Heart wounded sound again, only with joy. If I had wings, I'll fly away. Whoa, whoa, down here in Babylon, lion cannot play. Them too bad mind, too jealous. Them too envious, into covetous. Dibby sounds in our lives try to eat up our flesh, but by the powers of the judge, they'll stumble and fall. Lion Heart murder sound again, this time without a friend.
An original song, a song called A Lion Heart. Well, big up my brethren for years, King Malachi and Watch No Face. And this one special going out to the Rasta daughter named Ebony. Watch No Face. Lion Heart sound, you call me some dream lost. And Lolo, you tell them, they've been talking what they don't know. Oh gosh, they've been talking what they don't know. Oh gosh, hey, all I want is love for my family. Oh gosh, all I want is love and unity. Tell them Lion Heart, hey, they come in another session with them guns and domination. The simplest thing, they want to pull out them weapon. Them always a try to keep them lying on. Lion Heart sound, he's the champion sound. He's the #1 sound. special for all the ladies in the dance. Lion up, oh God. Every time I look in her face and I see that pretty smile, there I surely know you are a dreadlock's child. So I see her mommy from afar, but it's still she really don't know that the man you're talking to is a Rasta man. He's a Rasta man. Dreadlocks man.
Yeah, man. Highly blessed, you know. I'm Dubai to Norway. Yes, east to the west to the north to the south. It's called the World National Anthem. Italy, England, all over. Colombia, Venezuela, Ras Lionheart. Bless. Germany. Peace and love. Tell the whole world. Peace and love. Tell the whole world. Peace and love. To the boys and girls, peace and love. Tell the whole world, Africa, Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Oceania, in the Middle East. Peace and love. Tell the whole world, say peace and love. World National Anthem, peace and love. Tell the whole world, say peace and love. South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Gambia, Zambia, Ethiopia, Tanzania, Kenya, peace and love. Philippines, peace and love. Japan, China, peace and love. In America, peace and love. Palestine, Israel, France, Canada, all over, Jamaica, Caribbean islands, Trinidad, yeah. Tell the whole world, say we love ya. Peace and love. Iran and Iraq. Tell the whole world, say peace and love. North and South Korea, peace and love. Somalia, in Haiti, peace and love. Morocco and Guyana, Afghanistan, we still love you. The whole wide world, yes, we love you. But me say we love you. Me say we love you. The whole wide world, say we love you. Barbados, Bahamas. Yeah, happy lava. Hata hata lava. Hey, yo, happy lava. Tell them on the M1 lava. Ha. Nobody care this week. Anybody this week, them go bury. And the real deal. And who know why here? Well, me know them a go feel steel. And this music is so nice. But anybody this my team, them a go there twice. Physically and then spiritually. None of them can't stop we. Yeah, happy lava. Hata hata lava. Hey, yo, happy lava. Tell them on the M1 lava. Yeah, happy lava. Hata hata lava. Hey, yo, happy lava. Tell them on the M1 lava.
Tear Babylon down, snatch the crown off the ruling clown. Tired of suffering, revolution bubbling, screaming for years, time for some action. Like the words on the screen, read the caption. A pussy man's conscience. Hold me down, bring the violence by any means necessary. The holy war's legendary. The truth is so scary. Rasta never worry. Is it just that they fear me? That makes the righteous leery. One of the chosen. chosen ones walking under the sun. Where's my ultimate warrior? Too much for common men. Ready to set it whenever it takes to win. The scariest queen alive, always underestimated. Sneak into your camp, destroy the designated. Targets are marked, my mouth spits sparks. Selassie, I Rasta man, I be down. My Lion King sport your crown. Ready to infiltrate, let's see who's ready to die. I'm ready to elevate, already despised. Constantly tell my seed life's not fun. People don't care, but unity's number one. See bells I ring, the truth I sing. I've got the love of Jah that keeps me high. Don't get caught up with this worldly wealth. Me and Lionheart drop bombs like the stealth.
Hotta, hotta lava. Hey, yo, happy lava. Tell them on the M1 lava. Ha, yeah, happy lava. Ha. Hotta, hotta lava. Hey, yo, happy lava. Tell them on the M1 lava. We are free reach to the top. Real revolutionary soldiers non-stop. We have to reach to the top. See lion not and you know me never drop nor flop. Reach to the top. Big up on my brethren called Teddy Buckshot.